Here I have WIKO Harry, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the sound section, and then to the Do Not Disturb. Here you can set its priority allows. It could be reminders, events, messages from anyone, from contacts only, from the specific contacts. The same goes for calls. You can also set repeat callers. If the same person calls in a second time within a 15-minute period, allow it. And you can also add automatic rules. Automatic rules is just a basic schedule for the not disturb mode. And you can also block visual disturbance here. You can block it when the screen is on, and also when the screen is off. You will get no visual notifications when the not disturb mode is on. And you can of course you can switch the not disturb mode here at the upper bar. You can also select a duration for it here, or just to set it to be turned on until you turn it off. And that's how you turn off and turn on the not disturb mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.